Picking a career for life after high school can be overwhelming. Did you know that you do have alternatives to traditional college and you can still be successful and earn a great living? If college doesn't seem appealing to you, maybe it's time to start looking at career tech options and earning a great living in manufacturing. Career tech lets you start earning a living sooner. Plus, with a lot of employers paying for your educational requirements or training on the job, you won't have mountains of college debt to repay. Don't take my word for it though. Let me show you some real-life examples of real local people who made this choice and can't wait to share their success stories with you.
Welcome to Century Die Company. Century is a skilled technical manufacturer of tooling for the packaging of products that we use every day, such as Tide, Downy, Clean Shower, Gold Peak Tea, and many others. Today we'll meet Alex, one of our fantastic team members, and he will share some of the many benefits of a skilled career. Choosing a career in the trades will help you obtain a 4-year degree with free tuition to an apprenticeship, a skilled trades college. Now here's Alex to share his story.
Once I got into high school, I was unsure what I wanted to do after I graduated. I knew that I wanted to do something hands-on. I also knew that I wanted to do something that was going to make me good money because that was important to me. Our freshman and sophomore year, you heard a lot about college and that we needed to start looking towards that. The more I looked into it, the more I saw how much college was going to cost, even after the scholarships and grants. I knew the trades could be a good route as well, and that it was something that would set me up for success in the future. Once my junior year rolled around, I decided to go to Vanguard, a vocational school, to get a head start. I went into the mechanical engineering class, which actually led me towards machining. I figured that I could get some college classes taken care of while still in high school and save myself some money. My junior year is when I got the opportunity to take a tour through Century Die for a day. At this point, I had already started a manual machining class, so I knew a little bit of what was going on. Once I got there and saw all of the things that could be done, I knew that I could and should apply. I actually applied during the tour. A few months later, I got hired here, and I've been working here ever since. I even worked here through my senior year of high school, and then after high school, I finished a 4-year apprenticeship to get my journeyman's card. Since I already took those college classes in high school, I actually had a head start in the apprenticeship. The nice thing about the apprenticeship is that I went to school and got a degree completely paid for 100%, so I didn't have to worry about expenses like I would have if I went to college. I had steady raises throughout the apprenticeship, and now I'm sitting here making a good living. Since all of my schooling was paid for, I was able to focus more on saving my money. I was actually able to just buy a nice house at the age of 23. I've never had to worry about money and always been able to buy anything I've wanted. If you ask me, I think the trades are the way to go. You can make a lot of money and you learn many valuable skills that you can apply in everyday life.